Hey, second grade friends. It's Mrs. Barhorst with this week's spelling list. We are on spelling list 17, and I will have a copy for you to print out if you'd like. Let's take a look at the phonics and the pieces and parts of the words that you already know from phonics class. So number 1, number 2, and number 3 all have AY in the final position, and we know that AY in the final position says A. This word is say, stay, and play. Numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7 have EE, vowel digraph, like a bumblebee party. Free, feed, week. Now this isn't the opposite of strong. This is like a 7-day week. And number 7 is seam. Number 8 and number 9 have OW, but they're making different sounds. OW, ow, like cow, is now. And this one is OW like snow, and it's below, both in the final position. Number 10 has the CK the CK digraph after a short vowel. Okay. Number 11 has combination QU, and it has that A consonant E pattern. It's quake. I didn't tell you this was a tick, like a tiny bug, or a tick-tock. Not the app, like tick-tock of a clock. An earthquake, or the ground shook, quake. Number 12 is task, K, in the final position after a consonant is represented by a K. Sly, like the sly fox, tricky, or sneaky. Sly has the Y that sounds like an I in the final position because it's a one-syllable word. Keep has that vowel digraph EE, just like free, feed, and week. Dusty has the vowel Y, but it's in a two-syllable word, so it sounds like an E. And here is your second grade sight words. Take a peek at these. These are ones you're going to want to really focus on because they do not follow all the phonics parts, pieces and parts. Some do. I mean, like there has the TH digraph, but ERE is an unfair position. It doesn't sound out correctly, so that's why it's a sight word. This is the number, this there is the kind like over there location. Number 17 is the number 2. Number 18 is very important. We notice in second grade a lot of mistakes with they. They sounds like it should have an AY, but this is a sight word because it breaks that rule. It's actually an EY. Been, like you have been in first grade. And goes, okay? Now your dictation sentences for this week, one has a period and one has a question mark. That man with the dark pants is my dad. And when we play cards, may I pass them out? Now there is a comma here. That's going to be really important to not forget. It's a pause. When we play cards, may I pass them out? Okay, it's a pause so you can take a breath. And I'm going to try to make sure when I do this test, I really pause so you can remember to get that comma in there. But that is your words this week. I know you're going to do great. Keep practicing. There is a lot of changes to the way we're going to do spelling online because Spelling City, which is what we used to use, completely changed everything. So I will try really hard to get explicit directions on what you do first, what you type in, but every teacher will have to assign their homeroom kids, and there's a pretest on Monday, there's 3 games, and then the test is on Friday. So we're going to get those directions to you. It's not that something we chose to do, it's something that was changed on us. So we're going to figure it out together. All right? Thank you very much for listening and have a great week.